What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 3D printers for architects. The invention of 3D printers changed all that as they take a fraction of the time compared to handmade models, and come out looking much better. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 3D printers for architects. Number 1. Dremel DGLab 3D 45 3D printers for architects. It is compatible with a range of operating systems like Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and iPads, and comes with cloud software as well. Includes an HD camera so you can monitor the printing process. The sizable printer allows you to print larger 3D models. It automatically updates the extruder and builds plate temperatures and print speeds based on the kind of filament being used.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Filament recognizing technology makes it more convenient to use. Compatible with most operating software. Number 2. Chidi Tech 3D printers for architects. You're in luck because the Chidi 3D printer has innovated assigning the filament in 2 different ways. Double Z-axis translates to sturdier and more stable 3D printed models. Allows for printing filaments in 2 different ways. This software improves the slicing algorithm compared to previous models, which improves both printing quality and speed. The large 4.3-inch touchscreen has a simple interface. The metal plate is removable and reusable. Number 3. Makerbot Replicator Plus 3D printers for architects. The Replicator 3D printer is a solid option when it comes to heavy-duty 3D printing. Allows you to monitor the printer with an onboard camera. Smart extruder improves print quality. This printer handles faster and better performance and does so through a sturdier design and construction. Grip surface boosts filament adherence and prevents breaking or bending. The LCD interface is easy to use. Number 4. Chidi Resin 3D printers for architects.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Chidi manufactures 2 kinds of 3D printers, FDM printers like the X Plus printer, and LCD resin printers like this S-Box. Bigger size makes it possible to print larger 3D resin models. A large screen allows for more precision and better control. Z-axis motor comes with TMC2209 drive chip for intelligent and quiet printing. One-key leveling makes it easier for novices to use. It is a larger resin with a more unique structure. Number 5. Anacubic Chiron 3D printers for architects. The printer uses a high-grade Titan extruder, allowing users to experience smoother action and easy-to-use interface. Quick start setup makes it easier for beginners and amateurs to use. Can handle a range of filament materials. Greater functionality with Ultrabase Pro, filament detection and touchscreen. Quick recalibration reduces chances of error and a lack of precision. The large print bed makes it easier to print bigger models.